Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video on Life with May May. I was laying down and I wasn't feeling too good, but wanted to get up and do a video. I haven't did a video in a few days. Haven't been out the house since Friday, I think. It's the last time. And I don't know. Maybe Thursday. But yeah, I'm not doing good off that infusion. It almost like it gave me a little. The lady was saying you could get a little slight cold, be one of the side effects. And I don't know, I guess I've been blowing my nose, so on and so forth. And you guys, what I'm doing is, you know, I clean on Tuesdays and Saturdays. This is what I use, my scrubbing bubbles. And I use Comet bleach for the tub. Then I got some toilet bowl cleaner for the toilet. So I'm gonna let that soak. I got an important call to make at 12:30, so have all this cleaned up by then, in and out the shower. So I'm just saying, get up. So thank you, Jesus. Maybe that's who that was. Yeah, I'll throw some clothes in the wash. So yeah, guys, what you guys been up to? I've been off work still. Lazy. This, these migraines got me down. Lazy. He is still contacting her. So I'm thinking one thing that cleared up so you could be with her. Show your wife. So we say, Becky, would you be willing to meet with him and wear a body wire and try to get him to confess? We listen in and watch and make sure you're safe and everything else. And she agreed to. So we set up the meeting in a parking lot, and we had surveillance. People were watching the vehicle, and he gets in and he gives her this love letter. So yeah, now I'm finna go outside to get the snow off my truck. He tells her that she's the love. Cause it's been on there thick. So I'm trying to get my stand, let you guys see how bad it is, and take this trash outside. Yeah, my nose running. So I had talked to a worker at the fusion place, and she said that's a common side effect. So yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, it's too much snow. Yeah, it won't start. Trying to get this. Look, that's my truck, guys. Oh, I got it. So let me go get my coat, slip on my boots. I ain't gonna get no coat because I get hot too fast. I ain't got no gloves either. Oh, I had some little purple gloves. Let me go get them. Give me a second, guys. I'm hot already. That's why I want to put this on. Yeah, I'm gonna slip on these little gloves my husband grandmother gave me. Granny Shannon, bless her heart. Let all that soap when I come in, then I can start cleaning up. But yeah, guys, I just came on here. Want to talk to you guys about just life. Just, I was just sitting and laying in bed looking at my videos, and I don't know the young lady's name, but she had I don't know how to say it, but she had like claimed it some sorts that the small channels, this will be the year the small channels, the YouTubers will make it. I pray she right, because I'm one of the small channels, and I just want it so bad, So I don't know where I'm gonna set you guys at. I really don't, because I gotta throw this trash away, and then I don't know. I don't want to fall either, guys. My husband just shoveled all this. So this is horrible. It's a lot. And it looked like he didn't shovel it at all, but he just did it. Look at all the snow. So I'm glad I came outside, guys. I haven't been outside in some days. That's not good. That's not. So I'm claiming tonight or tomorrow I can go back to work. Please. We don't get the trash set out of nothing. That's bad. So this is what I'm attempting to tackle, guys. So give me a few minutes. It's freezing out here. Got you guys in the snow. That's how bad I'm trying to get content. This is horrible. See, I would try to help. This is layers and layers and layers. Like, you would think my truck this tall. I don't know how it is where you guys at. Yep, so we in Michigan, guys. I don't know where you guys live at. This is days and days. This not good, I feel. You guys saw that. Fail. It's not good. It's horrible. Sad. Layers and layers and layers. Woo. fail, guys. Yeah, guys, it was packed. Woo, my hands cold. Packed. Crazy. Oh, my hands cold. My hands cold. Woo. All the gloves, I should be having them on, but them might be too little. Show you guys how high it comes to my tires. This is cold. Show y'all something. Ooh. Show y'all how high it come up to my tire. You can really see it on this one. It fell right here, as you guys saw. But yeah, I got most of it. So I go tonight or tomorrow, it won't be as bad. So we got that. So we got come in here. Oh, my hands is cold. I'm here, start cleaning up. So yeah. Woo! I didn't even see what the temperature was. Give me a second, guys. I gotta take off this wet stuff. Damn, my hands is cold. All right, so we finna go in the secondary bathroom, tackle that, and come on out. I gotta go get the broom. I was gonna shovel, but nope, I almost fell. Well, I did fall. So nope, I ain't doing that. I'll let my husband do that. Because he said he was gonna finish it anyway from the other day. So give me a second, guys. But yeah, guys, what you guys been up to? I bet on YouTube, and it's sad about the wildfires. And I know people got their own scenarios, but I don't like to blame people. But I don't know, one of the content creators was saying that they don't cover fires no more, but then I think they took up a fund because a lot of R&B, like famous people, lost their homes, and people were saying how easy it is to build another one. Yeah, but you know it ain't gonna be the same because them were your personal things, you know. Well, everything ain't about money. It's about sentimental value, you know, like pictures and memories. That's what I always say, and my grandkids get it now. Why do I always like taking pictures? I'm hot, guys, but I gotta keep this on because I ain't combing my head and that. But because of memories, you can't get those back. And by telling somebody and showing somebody, it's two different things. Like if you got videos of a vacation or a holiday, or just you visiting with your family, or you went to a sentimental place and you want to recapture it, you can go back and watch it. Whereas if you ain't got no pictures or no videos, it's just a memory. And that's good, but sometimes, you know, you want to see, you know. So that's where the pictures and the video come in. Excuse me, guys. And I also found out why I'm still getting headaches too, guys. Just talked to one of the young ladies that work at the infusion place I went to in Grand Haven, and she said there's some side effects for some people. You get like a sinus or a cold, like, and you have pressure. So either the infusion don't agree with you, or they can opt out of doing a pre-medication, which was a steroid. So yeah, that was the crazy part, because when I be saying stuff, it's almost like it's unbelievable to some people, but I be right all the time. And it's like I have no reason to lie. By me still going through this, it's got me depressed. So I really don't want to be around nobody, especially while the pain and stuff still going on. And I'm not at my best, but I want my job at the same time. But right now, it's kind of bad because I'm using up I'm going in my vacation last week and now 2 days of this week. And I pray, if it's tonight, I pray it's the last night. But I don't want it to be like that, but I've been up since my husband left. I dozed off, then I woke up, then it started throbbing again. So it's sad though, because I just hate being sick. Give me a second, guys. I gotta go get this broom. So yeah, guys, what you guys just seen me do outside, I just try to get most of the snow off in case I do go back tonight. Tomorrow, that way it don't be so bad because you can't see at night. I will have to go out there early. That's the crazy part. Like, yeah, it's like one thing after another. Once you start getting sick, you don't know what else gonna transpire. But I just take it in stride, just ask the Lord to bless me and keep me and bless my job, because I need my job. I gotta pay my bills. I got a mortgage, a truck payment, I got gas, phone bill, life insurance, car insurance, back bills I'm paying. That stuff don't stop. That's why I'm happy my husband is reaping the fruits of his labor right now. Because we don't know how we're going to be. I didn't ask for this. Nobody did. And that's why I just pray the Lord just protect my job, my sanity, and heal me. That's what I pray. And that when I do go back, 29 and Sunday, then I'm, well enough to be up in there. Because you got to stand on that hard floor for 8 hours. And then you got to listen to them high-lows and them lights. Anybody with migraines know what I'm talking about. But you got some people saying people still go to work. Well, that's good that they can tolerate that. It's real good. Because it depends on what level mine's at. I can't. Because I have one in there too. And completed my shift. I have done it. But mine's got worse since then. I didn't have the nauseated and dizziness. I didn't have none of that. This stuff just started a couple years ago. But I still went when that was going on. So yeah, I still went. But I just say, seem like if you weren't sick when you was young, you're going to get sick when you're older. Or it could happen when you're young and older. It's just real sad though, because you think when you get older, like, okay, now I can rest my mind, my thoughts. No. Life is still going to be life. That's why you guys see me put up all the prayers on TikTok and on my YouTube channel. Real serious about that. I don't know what we're going to have for dinner. I don't feel like cooking. Sure don't. I need some sinus pills, so I got to wait to get those. Ain't got nothing. I'm checking my lunchbox. But that's what she just said. It's crazy that she said that because I could feel it a little bit what she's talking about. Like the sniffing and the pressure in the middle of my forehead. But when you talk to somebody that don't get sick and that still function when they sick, they don't believe you just because they function. So they believe that your pain should be like their pain. If that makes sense. I mean, I don't question nobody. You sick, you sick. That's your body. I don't know about your body. Sometimes we do things that make people question, like, you did all that, you ain't sick. Sometimes you can't. But as I was saying, while you can, that's good. So I get trash bags up here. I don't think there's no more in here. But yeah, guys, I feel bad for all the fires in Los Angeles and just daily stuff people going through. People struggling, with their mental health, finances, and it's just real sad. Because you just feel, for people, at least I do. These little trash bags. Have to use these. Yep, so That's why we gotta be mindful of how we treat people. Like I was telling my aunt, got an aunt that's in the nurse home and my dad. You never know how you're gonna be when you get older. Treat people right. The same people, you can use. And yeah, guys, we up to, I think I got 666 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We was at 650 something for the longest. And I ask you guys to keep sharing, liking, and subscribing, telling a friend, telling a friend, telling a family member. That's how we gonna grow and hopefully get monetized. I know I was looking at some YouTubers, they were showing how much they make. I ain't gonna stop, but I guess I was thinking they get paid way more than they do, but they don't. So I guess if you one of the ones that got some good content and you gravitate to a bigger audience and they liking your videos and stuff, that's good. That's how you gonna get paid. I was just like shocked when I saw that, but it is what it is. I can use this lighter. So yeah, it's almost 12 o'clock. It looks like I ain't gonna be in the shower before 12:30, so I have to make my call afterwards. Thinking I should have got up earlier, but my head and it still hurt. So I got to figure out what I'm gonna eat for lunch. Part of the problem. Yeah, if I don't eat on time, there's a migraine. I'm burning up in this bonnet. I don't want to scare you guys. So yeah, guys, I ain't got no plan today. I ain't going out unless I go to work today. Yeah, unless I go to work late, I ain't even been to see my dad. You know I'll be down. I always go see him. Hopefully I'll go Friday. I know some Wednesdays he be having dialysis. So. All right, getting it on done. Yeah, guys, just think about life. Life is something else. And I don't know about you guys, but I go back to when I was younger. I used to always say, I wish I was grown. Now that you're grown, I don't want to go back to no kids or nothing like that, but it's just a lot you got to deal with. Think you had it so bad when you was younger. But life is full of adversities. Gotta keep G-O-I-N-G. I'm trying to practice that. My self-affirmation, guys, they help me build me up, make me stronger. Because, you know, I've been out of work for, I don't know, a month. And you know how people love to gossip. And not saying that's why I don't want to go back, because I don't care what people say. But I be thinking in my head is that the same ones that want to know where you've been, they're the ones that talk about you. So then they can go back and say, yeah, she keeps saying her head, and I don't have to prove nothing to nobody. God knows. No nobody else knows. God knows. I don't lie just to be lying. If I'm lying, for a good reason. But I'm always true and honest to myself and the Lord. So I ain't saying I never lie, but I don't lie about simple stuff. If I'm sick or don't feel good, then that's just it. Oh no. Oh, come on. No. I think I broke something. Yep. Maybe I was pouring in another bottle. Yeah, guys, so always be true to yourself. True to the Lord and then yourself, because He know all and see all anyway. So He gonna expose you anyway. He gonna expose you anyway. That was so true back in the day when I had somebody in my life was trying to play like this, play like that. He exposed. He will expose. There's been several people. It's sad. They all ain't been wrong. Yep. I know I was looking at TikTok. My aunt had put up a little post how kids be cussing and cuss you out and all that. Yeah, I remember that back in the day. And you just be like, wow, no type of home training. I know some kids, they can't have home training, but then they feeling themselves when they get a teenager. But some little kids, nobody should be cussing. But some little kids, it's like, wow, it's kind of sad. What was you around? Who did you listen to? But you know they say it starts from home. Most of the time they do. Sometimes people had a good home life, but they feel like they've been too sheltered. They want to act out too. So it'll be that way too. But a lot of times people don't have time for their kids. So that's when the kids go to the streets or develop a crowd that they shouldn't be around. Then that's when you really see it. Yeah, I love everybody. Kids, especially. Kids grown. Like they ain't had time to grow up or they sit around and listen to song too much. That's kind of bad. Especially when you're the opposite, because you're always going to be the enemy. Yeah. So I had one. My husband got 3, so I'm a stepmother, but you know, I babysat a lot when I was growing up, and my mom liked it that. At the end, I only had 1. Yep. Girl, she'll be 40 years old, January 30th. Posted her picture earlier. That's my daughter. You guys go back and watch my shorts. That's my daughter. And she has a channel on YouTube, Family First. She started hers before I started mine. And She show a lot of different content. She got pets. She got a dog and a turtle. She's very artistic. She make waist beads. She live in Grand Rapids, Michigan. She sells seafood boils at times. So, yeah. That boom back. Yeah, and she has a TikTok too. I forgot her name on TikTok. But on YouTube, it's Family First. And hers is the first page, YouTube page. When you go look up Family First, $92.99. Go over there and show her some love. And let the family person over there come back and show Life with Mayme some love. We mother and daughter. Ooh, I'm hot. What I'm cooking. Bloody thinking. Yep, guys, just cleaning. And got my little candles lit. Gotta get up this house. That needs a little work. Praying, guys. See what tonight brings. Plug this up too. Think I'm gonna do some Popeyes. Comment down below, guys. You guys eat Popeyes. I like chicken. I like beef and turkey too, but I really like chicken. Wipe this down, then I got to tackle the main bathroom, and I'll be done. I pray you guys go back and watch all my videos and my shorts. See you guys enjoying the videos. Hit the subscribe button. It's free. It don't cost nothing. It's to support the channel, help out with the algorithm. That way more people can view my videos. Trying to get monetized, to get 1,000 subscribers to be monetized. I'm trying so hard, guys. That's why you keep seeing me come on here and record. I don't even want to use my iPhone, but I don't have another means to record. I tried my secondary phone. That didn't work. So I recorded, but it didn't show nothing. It's still on the secondary phone. I don't understand that. Yep. So we finna dust. That's my TV stand. I hope you guys can see me. And I'm done. I'm headed to the bathroom. Head to the bathroom, but then maybe I'll be able to get in the shower after all. I didn't think I would. Everything tidied up. Some days I don't even feel like be doing this. I can imagine when I get older. Hopefully my memories be gone, man, and I can have some peace before I die. God forgive me for saying it like that, but it's true. I love him so much. I know I got I don't know when they say I had. Oh, Botox, 27. And I was thinking I wouldn't need that no more. Yes, I do. This shirt I'm wearing, guys, this is my grandma. She passed in 2007. She was, man, we were so close. Very spiritual woman. Beautiful heart. Loved the people. Yes, she did. Loved the people. She's very well missed. Her name was Helen. And then my daughter, then I got a cousin, my aunt's son, who passed from COVID, Chris. They got her a tattoo of her. I think my cousin Tyra did too. But yeah, they did a tattoo of her year she was born. It's nice. It's real nice. A good contribute. People be getting, you know, people buy this, they buy, they get what they want to get, but that was real sentimental. My daughter got some nice tattoos, but it's just too many. I don't have one. My husband we used to always talk about it. He was like, he gonna get this, get that. And I say, get my name. Nope, you gotta put my name. So we scratched that. So yeah, guys, we go in the master bath, clean up. Woo. And what we done? Plug up my humidifier. Get some, clean the air up. Okay, guys, take you back here with me for a little bit. I'll be ending the video, but this is the progress. I hate when I sweep that I still feel crumbs on the floor. Yep, I got my candle burning, and I got another one back in the other bathroom, and I got my humidifier going. Yeah, that's my humidifier my daughter brought me, and that helps with my migraines. So to those of you who get migraines, that sure helps me. So how much, I really don't know, but it helps. So yeah, we in the master bathroom now. And we gotta tackle this and we'll be done. But yeah, guys, it's just a sad state of what we're going through in America today. With the rising cost of food and rent, mortgage. Because my gas bill used to be, what it used to be? $54? It's $89. Yeah, $89. Gas bill never been that high. So something is wrong. So I think I'm gonna call them though, make sure I'm still on the budget, because that don't make no sense. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Just to double check, because I did call and the young man said that's so much gas I use, but I'm supposed to be on a budget. So maybe because the gas do some weird stuff, like you get a couple of low bills in the summer, then it's like you gotta build up, they gotta give you a couple of high bills, and then the rest are knock off in the summertime. So I'm thinking that's how it is. I'm not for sure. That's pretty high. And we live in a trailer, mobile home, or whatever you want to call it. So as you guys see, it look like a house if you guys didn't know. Hold on.